Lean is a management philosophy which focuses on eliminating waste. इसे एक easy example से समझते हैं. One's body will be called lean if he or she doesn't have fat in his body. That means fat is waste. Lean could be applied anywhere, be it school, industry, logistic, airport, or store. But the term lean is widely used in industry. Suppose an industry is producing a product called car. Now that car is value for the industry because the customer is paying for the same. While producing the car, there are two types of activities. One is value adding activities, VA, and the another one is non-value adding activity, NVA. The activities which directly transform the car and improve its performance are VA activities. Like assembling a tire is value adding activities, but transporting tools and tires to the car are non-value adding activities. Because time taken to move the tire doesn't add value, and this has to be minimized. So far, what we have understood is that value is the product and its performance, and non-value is waste. To achieve the value and to eliminate the waste, the industry needs to work on lean principle. This principle includes 5 simple and effective components, which are value, value stream, flow, pull, and perfection. And these all are interlinked. Let's have a closer look of these components. As already discussed, value is the product or service for which customer pays. Process defined to achieve the value is called value stream. This includes production as well as the service. The flow is all about minimizing the bottlenecks in the process. And the bottlenecks are those operations which slows down the process. Pull is called as build to order production system, which means the production or service process is designed to deliver goods or service as they are required by the customer, or within the production process when required by the next step. Seeking perfection in first 4 components completes the lean principle. We hope this video will help you think lean.